Hey everyone, welcome to our video where we will be comparing two of the best mesh Wi-Fi systems out in the market today. The TP-Link Deco AX3000 and the TP-Link Deco AX5400 mesh system. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which one is better suited for your home. And if you find our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to price, the TP-Link Deco AX3000 is priced at USD $199, whereas the TP-Link Deco AX5400 mesh system is priced at USD $234. So, if you're on a tight budget, the AX3000 could be a better option for you. The TP-Link Deco AX3000 covers up to 6,500 square feet, while the AX5400 covers up to 5,500 square feet. However, the AX5400's 6 GHz band works as a powerful dedicated backhaul for stable connections between nodes by default, making it a better option for larger homes. The TP-Link Deco AX3000 is strong enough to connect up to 150 devices, while the AX5400 has a true tri-band speed of 5400 Mbps for 200 devices. The AX5400 is a better option for homes with multiple devices and heavier usage, while the AX3000 is more ideal for smaller households. Both the TP-Link Deco AX3000 and AX5400 mesh systems work with all internet service providers. However, the AX5400 has more advanced features like WPA3 personal encryption and Wi-Fi 6E compatibility. Both the TP-Link Deco AX3000 and AX5400 have AI-driven mesh technology, but the AX5400's Deco Z75 delivers smart Wi-Fi that automatically learns your network environment, client quality, and user behaviors, making it a better option for those who want hassle-free Wi-Fi. And that concludes our comparison of the TP-Link Deco AX3000 and AX5400 mesh systems. Ultimately, both of these are great options depending on your home's needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you make a decision. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons.